this look by using only 5 products. You'll get to see how did I create this look. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Hey guys, I didn't wear anything on my face. I just applied aloe vera gel onto my face. Now I'll be taking Faces Beach shade for my foundation and Lumi by L'Oreal, and I'll be mixing both of these shades to get a glossy, clear foundation base. This illuminator acts like a highlighter. Basically, it's a highlighter. So to avoid the highlighter step, we are using this. You can see this shade matches my skin tone clearly. Now I'll be applying the same onto the upper eyelid. Now I'm done with my base, as you can see. Step 2. I'll be taking this contour palette by Wet n Wild, and I'll be taking this brighter shade to sharpen my face, basically my edges. Take a little amount and dab off the excess. Draw a slight line, not too much. Now I'm done. Now time for the third step. Third product, basically it's for the eyes. I'll be taking this Colossal Kajal by Maybelline. I'll be using it as an eyeliner and kajal. I'll be smudging it with a smudger brush. If you don't have a brush, you can also use your fingertips. That works really well. Now it's time for the fourth step, that is mascara. After applying this mascara, we'll be doing the same for the other eye as well. Yes, we are done. Now time for the fifth step, that is our lipstick. I'm using this maroon shade from Revlon. It's not exactly maroon, it's in between maroon and red. So I'll be using it because my outfit is kind of maroon and red. If you find it really brighter, then you can make it lighter by using a loose powder. I'm using here a Pond's powder. You can also use any face powder as you wish. You can repeat this as much as the shade you want. Now it's time for the cheeks. I don't have any product, so I'll be using this lipstick for getting a glow on my cheeks. Take a little amount on your fingertips. Gently apply onto your cheeks. Now blend it with a blender. As you can see the difference. I'm done with my rosy cheeks with the 5 products.
So yes, this is a look which I have created by only using 5 products. You can see my lipstick shade matches my outfit's color. So if you want me to make much more videos and more videos on makeup hacks or how to get glossy look by using minimum amount of products or using cheaper products, then please comment down below. You have the bell icon, subscribe, like and share. Bye guys.